What's up, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is Morgan. I am a licensed cosmetologist and a professional makeup artist and a lover of all things theatrical. And today I'm going to be working on a client getting some highlights done. So because it's been some time, because of COVID, since my client has been here, we are going to be doing some highlights, we're going to be doing some toning, and we're also going to be doing a cut. I really like to start off all my services by having everything prepared so that when my clients get here, we can just jump right into it. So I have all my foils pretty much laid out here. I might need some more. I have my lightener in the bowl, no developer yet, so it's not activated, but it's ready to go. I also have the developer that I'm gonna be using, and today I'm gonna be using 20 and 30. And then when we get to the toning process, I have all that stuff set up over there. This is my friend Addie, and we are about to do some partial highlights on her today. Hi! So we are just going to focus on the top part of her hair. So to go ahead and get us started, I've gone ahead and sectioned her hair into 9 sections. We're gonna go ahead and start in the middle back section of her hair. For Addie's highlights, I'm going to be doing almost a baby light process. This is going to help to make her hair look more natural between her previous highlighted parts and her new growth. I really like to make sure that I go in and feather the roots so that there's a soft transition between her new growth and her highlights. To save time, I just go ahead and flatten the foil sheets, and when I'm done with the section, then I fold up all the sides together. So at this point, I'm done with pretty much the back section of her hair. This is the last section in the back, and then we're going to move on to the front portion of her highlights. So here you're going to see me take the comb and fold up that entire section. And like I said, this is really great for just saving time because it can be a little time consuming when you're doing highlights. So now that we're in the front section of her hair, I really like to angle this part forward so that it looks more natural and blends into her new growth a little bit better. So you'll notice I went ahead and broken this section down into two parts. So there's the front right and there's the front left. The reason I do that is because you really want to make sure that you are putting the highlights with the shape of the head. And because the head is curved in the front, you want to go around the forehead in the same direction, since that's going to be the most visible part of her hair. In the back sections of her hair, I use the 20 volume developer, but now that we're getting to the front and I want this area to process a little bit faster, I'm using the 30 volume developer. So by the time the back of her hair is ready to be washed out, the front should be ready as well. Here is my beautiful Addie with all the highlights in her hair. It's a lot of highlights, but it's gonna look super natural when we wash it out. So this is what her hair is looking like with the lightener washed out. To be honest, I think her hair looks really good. We almost don't even need to tone it, but to really make it shine, I'm gonna go ahead and tone it next. I've gone ahead and done a root tap with her level 6, and then we've done level 9 on the rest of her hair. Just wanted to show you her before, again, before I show you her after. I'm so sorry the camera's out of focus, guys. Of course, I didn't realize that till after, and I'm here editing and realize that you guys don't get to see it in all of its glory, but I hope that you can still see how beautiful the highlights turned out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.